In today's video, we discuss how to replace battery in this LED candle. So for battery operated LED candles, if you want to replace the battery, you must remove the jack at the back side. So this switch is normally used for turn on or turn off the flame. You must turn off this first, and after that you can take out the battery from here. So you can see this is the battery, and you can use your fingers, you can simply pull out the batteries from here. So this is the battery is commonly used, and here you can see this is the positive side, and this is the negative side. So you can see here negative and positive. So the battery should be inserted like this. The negative side will touching that spring, and you can insert the batteries one by one here. So one battery above another, and after that you can put the other battery also. So this you can insert or replace the batteries in LED candle lights. Of this video. See for more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.